Do you feel like your money vanishes the second it hits your account? Living paycheck to paycheck doesn't have to be your reality. In this video, we're breaking down how to create a budget that actually works, so you can take control of your money and start building the life you've always dreamed of. Stay tuned. Imagine this. It's the end of the month, you're checking your bank balance, and you realize once again, you have no idea where your money went. Your goals of saving for that dream vacation, new car, or even just building your savings account, poof, vanished into thin air. It's terrifying, right? The idea of working hard, but having nothing to show for it can be paralyzing. But here's the thing, you're not alone. In fact, most people in their 20s struggle with managing money. It's not taught in school, and society pressures us into spending now, worrying later. But what if I told you that learning how to control your money can completely change your future? What if I told you that today, right now, we're going to build a roadmap that leads to financial freedom? Stick with me, because I'm going to show you how to create a budget that works. And trust me, this isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. Now that you're here, let's dive into step 1. Understanding your income and expenses. Before we can build a budget, you need to know exactly how much money you have coming in. And more importantly, how much is going out. Take a moment to track every single dollar. Yes, even that $5 coffee habit you swear you're cutting back on. Knowing your habits is crucial for creating a budget that actually sticks. And don't worry, I've been there, saying I'll stop buying avocado toast and then we're human. But hey, you can't fix what you can't see, right? Now, here's where most people go wrong when they do track their expenses. It's a mistake you can avoid, and it's key to making your budget last. Stick around, because we'll come back to that in just a minute. Let's talk about step 2, choosing your budgeting method. This is where things get exciting, because budgeting isn't one size fits all. You can pick a method that works for you, not the other way around. First up, we have the 50-30-20 rule. It's simple and effective. You allocate 50% of your income to needs, rent, groceries, 30% to wants. Yes, you can still have fun. And 20% to savings or debt. It's flexible but structured. A favorite for many. But maybe you're someone who likes to account for every penny. That's where zero-based budgeting comes in. With this, every dollar has a job. It's intense, but it's perfect for staying in control of where every cent goes. Think of it like being the CEO of your own life. You wouldn't let money just wander off in a company, right? So why let it wander in your personal finances? Now, here's a question to consider. What if your income fluctuates? Freelancers, gig workers, students with part-time jobs. It's tricky. But don't worry, we'll talk about how to handle that unpredictability in just a second. Step 3, tracking your progress and adjusting. This is so important. Budgets aren't static. Life changes, and your budget should evolve with it. Here's the key. Don't get discouraged if you overspend 1 month. Don't throw away your progress because of one mistake. Adjust, learn, and move forward. That's what successful people do. It's not about being perfect. It's about consistency. And hey, if you ever blow the budget on pizza with friends, we've all been there. The point is to recover, not to give up. Now, as promised, let's address the biggest mistake people make when budgeting. It's subtle, but it can totally sabotage your progress if you're not careful. It's how you categorize your spending, and it might not be what you think. I'll explain more in a moment. Now that you've got the blueprint for building a budget, let's tie everything together. Start simple. Track your income, choose a method that resonates with your lifestyle, and constantly revisit and refine. Don't let fear of mistakes hold you back. This is about growth. With each step, you're moving closer to financial freedom and a wealthier lifestyle. And here's the best part. When you master your budget, you're not just in control of your money, you're in control of your future. But there's one final piece of the puzzle that will truly set you apart from everyone else struggling with their finances. It's about tracking your progress over time, and it's where the magic happens. I've got a whole video dedicated to this. You don't want to miss it. So, if you're serious about making your budget work long-term, click on this video here, on-screen link to video, I'll show you the tools, tips, and mindset shifts you need to track your financial journey and stay on course. It's time to take control. Your wealth building journey starts now.